Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish.
Section 16, Rólimirt. Role play with a focus on labhairt, speaking.
Rólimirt, rave-obair, role-playing, the pre-work, lemúna, ag bualadh le duine, meeting people, ifreacha a náid go dtí de, a chuir tú féin in aithne, introducing yourself.
Bualadh a sé déag. Handout 16, Rólimirt, rave-obair, role play preparatory work. Rólimirt, rave-obair, role play preparatory work. Beag tú ag buint úsáide as na frásaí thíos chun rólimirt a dhéanamh. You'll be using the phrases below for a role play activity. Féachar na frásaí agus déan iarracht Gaeilge a chur orthu ó bhéal. Look at the phrases and see if you can say them in Irish. Practice doing this and see if you can do them from memory without having to look them up. If you need to write them out, try and practice them to a point where you can just look at the phrase and immediately you're so familiar with it, you can just say it in Irish. Bualadh a sé déag. Handout 16, Rólimirt, role play. Rólimirt, rave-obair. Is gníomhaíocht beirte ishe a dhéanamid I rith an pop-up. This is a partner activity that we'll do during the pop-up Gaeltacht. Úsáidimid na Bualadh Rólimirt Role A agus Rólimirt Role B. We will be using the handouts Rólimirt Role A and Rólimirt Role B. Begur ghine amháin Role A a ghlacha agus an duine eile Role B a ghlacha. One person will assume the role of person A and the other person B. Is cuid de chórá telephone an rol gníomhaíocht seo idir duine atá ag lorg eolais Role A ó rúnaí inifig Role B. This is part of a telephone conversation between a person looking for information, duine A, from a secretary in an office, duine B. Féach ar na frásaí agus déan iarracht Gaeilge a chur orthu ó bhéal. Look at the phrases and make an effort to say them in Irish from memory. Déan cloch ar an gá role mar beag aribh na role a bháil or two. Practice both roles because we will be switching roles during the activity. Is task dúchlánacha an task seo. This is quite a difficult task, but you're able to do it. We've covered everything in this except for one phrase which we'll cover in the next slide. Rave-obair, roll card A. Preparatory work for roll card A. On roll card A, you'll come across the following phrase. Cuirfidh me glí arás earth go luath. I'll call you back soon. Cuirfidh me glí arás earth go luath. I'm going to have you repeat it after me. I'll break it down. Cuirfidh me, cuirfidh me, cuirfidh me. Glí arás earth, glí arás earth, glí arás earth. Cuirfidh me glí arás earth. Go luath, go luath, go luath. Cuirfidh me glí arás earth go luath. Cuirfidh me glí arás earth go luath. So practice this a few times so that you're ready for the activity. And here we have roll card A. Practice reading through it and saying it in Irish. If you can avoid having to write it out, do so. See if you can do it from memory. Make sure you practice both cards. Roll card B. Again, as I said, make sure you practice both cards as we will be switching roles during the activity.
Freagraí, answers Rólimirt agus rave-obair. Ifreachain, hi, díochait. Iver a dó. What's your name? Cad is anam dit, or cé tosa. Iver a trí. I'm fine. Tommy gama. Iver a cahar. Bye. Slán lat. Iver a cuig. How are you? Conna sa tátu. Iver a sé. What's your telephone number? Cad é iver telephone. Iver a seacht. My name's Sheila. Sheila is anam dum. Iver a hocht. 087 546 9213. Anóid a hocht a seacht, a cuig a cahar a sé, a ní a dó a hain a trí. Agus iver a né, thank you, gur maithagat. So take a moment to practice reading through those. You'll be using them in the next activity, doing some role play. Rólimirt, réamhabair. So in this section, we did a little role play using our greetings, meeting people, Ivracha anóid go dtí 10, the number 0 to 10, agus a curtú féin an aithne, and introducing yourself.
Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.